This video, I'm going to show you how you can fix missing recent chats on ChatGPT. So I'm here on my ChatGPT account. I've just logged in, but as you can see, I can't see my recent chats that are usually here on the left hand side. But if I refresh this page, you can see that doesn't solve the problem. So a trick is just one. You should be able to see a recent here, even if there is nothing under it. Just tap on it or this sign, and if you click on it now, it will expand this panel, and here you'll be able to find all your recent chats on your ChatGPT account. So that's how you can find your recent chats. If you wish to hide them, you can as well just tap on this and they'll be hidden. So the reason why they are missing is because they're just hidden and not deleted, and therefore you can expand or collapse this window at any point. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.